Eraser and eyedropper tools. Eraser. Eraser tool allows us to erase or remove the stroke and fill colors in an object. Now place one rectangle on the stage. Select Eraser tool from the toolbox. Its keyboard shortcut is the letter E. Simply drag over the object and erase. Now the object gets deleted slightly, doesn't it? The properties of Eraser tool are similar to the properties of a flash document. The options of Eraser tool are Eraser Shape, Faucet, and Eraser Mode. In Eraser Shape option, we can choose the size of the eraser. Now, let's discuss about the Faucet option. Place two objects, one over the other, with different fill color. Now, select the Eraser tool. Faucet lets us perform erasing according to the color frequency. Select this option from Toolbox and click over the object. Now we'll note the similar color pixels are erased. Next, we'll move on to Eraser Mode option. The eraser modes are Erase Normal. Now this erases the stroke and fill color of an object of the same layer. Select this mode and just drag on the object and we'll see the effect there. Erase Fills erases the fill color alone. It does not affect the stroke color. Select this mode and drag it on the object. Erase Lines. It erases the stroke color and not the fill color. Select this mode and just drag on the object, and we can see the effect. Erase Selected Fills. This option will erase the selected area in the fill color. Let's select an area using the lasso tool. Now select the Erase Selected Fill option and erase on the selected area. Note it removes only the selected area. And finally, we have the Erase Inside. This option erases only the fill where we begin erasing. Stroke color is not affected by this mode. Select this mode and just drag on the object and we can see the effect. Therefore, we can perform different erasing techniques over an object using the Eraser tool. Eyedropper tool. We can copy the fill and stroke color of an object and apply them to another object using the Eyedropper tool. Its shortcut is the letter I. We can pick a bitmap image and it can be used as fill color. Now let's discuss this tool with an example, shall we? First, place three rectangles on the stage with different fill and stroke colors. One with fill and stroke color, a second with only fill color, and a third with only stroke color. Select Eyedropper tool from the toolbox. Select the stroke color of the object. Note the Eyedropper tool is changed to an ink bottle tool. Fine. Now just apply it as another rectangle object. As we apply, the stroke color appears. And finally, we gave stroke color for this object. Similarly, let's copy a fill color and apply it to an unfilled rectangle. Select Eyedropper tool and pick Fill Color from the first object. Now look here, once we pick the color, the cursor changes to Paint Bucket tool. The Lock Fill modifier will also be turned on. Go ahead and fill the object. Therefore, we can select Fill and Stroke Color to apply the new values. This tool does not possess any special properties or options. Zoom and Hand tool. Zoom tool. Zoom tool, well, it lets us magnify or zoom an object or an image on the stage. Here we have an object on the stage. Select the Zoom tool from Toolbox. Its shortcut is the letter M. Click on the object, and now the object gets enlarged. Now we can reduce the enlarged object using the options of the Zoom tool. For Zoom tool, we have two options, and they are Enlarge and Reduce. Enlarge option makes an object larger, and its maximum value is 2,000%. Reduce option allows us to reduce the object. Its minimum value is a mere 8%. Select the tool and click on the object to reduce the object. We can zoom in or out on the object using the drop-down menu available in the edit bar. In this, we have Fit in Window, Show Frame, Show All, and different zoom percentages. Now, tip here, we can zoom in or zoom out of the object by pressing Ctrl equals or Ctrl minus. The hand tool is used to navigate through zoomed objects. Now let's zoom the object and select the hand tool from the toolbox, or just press H from our keyboard. To modify the tip of the pencil, just click and drag the mouse, and we can go to the tip of this object. Tip for you here, press the space bar to get the hand tool. For example, if we're working with the brush tool and we press space bar, we get the hand tool. Using this tool, we can pan through the object or the image. Hence, hand and zoom tools go hand in hand.